Welcome to our guide on mastering pacing in academic communication. Pacing refers to the rate at which information is delivered, including the speed of speech and the strategic use of pauses. Effective pacing is crucial for allowing students to absorb information without feeling overwhelmed or bored. A well-paced lecture keeps students focused and enhances retention of key points. Let's explore how you can master this essential skill. When delivering complex or dense information, it's important to slow down. This gives students the time needed to process new ideas thoroughly. For instance, when introducing a new concept, break it into smaller parts and slow down to ensure understanding. This approach helps students connect with the material and reduces confusion. Remember, clarity is key to effective teaching. Pauses play a vital role in maintaining a steady pace. They allow time for emphasis, reflection, and note-taking. After delivering an important point, pause briefly to let students process the information or jot down notes. This technique reinforces understanding and prevents a rushed pace. Strategic pauses can significantly enhance student engagement. Observing student reactions is key to effective pacing. Watch for body language and facial expressions that indicate confusion or disengagement. Adjust your pace based on these cues to ensure everyone is following along. If students appear confused, consider repeating the point more slowly or asking if clarification is needed. This responsive approach fosters a supportive learning environment. Varying your pace throughout the lecture can maintain interest and engagement. Speed up slightly during straightforward sections and slow down for emphasis when necessary. This variation adds energy to your delivery and keeps students attentive. For routine information, a faster pace can be effective, while a slower pace aids comprehension for new or complex topics. Balance is key to keeping your audience engaged. Practicing reading aloud with intentional pacing can improve your delivery. Focus on varying your pace and pausing for emphasis as you read a passage. Choose a paragraph with key points and practice, pausing briefly after each idea to maintain a steady flow. This exercise builds real-time awareness of pacing, enhancing your communication skills. Intentional practice leads to natural improvement. Recording short practice lectures and reviewing them is a valuable exercise. Listen back to evaluate your pacing and identify moments that feel rushed or too slow. Make adjustments as needed to develop a natural, comfortable pace. This reflective practice helps you refine your delivery and build confidence. Regular review fosters continuous improvement in your teaching methods. In conclusion, mastering pacing is essential for effective communication in the classroom. A steady pace enhances clarity and engagement, making it easier for students to absorb information. Use the techniques and exercises discussed to practice and refine your pacing skills. This will allow you to deliver information confidently and effectively in any academic setting. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better teaching.